Good morning, dear students. Let's start linear inequalities. Students, in this session, we will do very important questions. So, students, let's start in an easiest way. Here we have question number 10. Solve the following system of inequalities graphically. And here we have the inequalities 3x plus 4y less than equals to 60, x plus 3y less than equals to 30, and x is greater than equal to 0, y is greater than equal to 0. So students, let's start the solution. According to working rule, first we have to find the 2 points to make these lines in the graph, and after that find out the shaded region of individual inequality. And students, by continue the same process, we get the common feasible reason of all the inequalities. Now students, here we have 3x plus 4y less than equals to 60. 3x plus 4y is equals to 60. First use the equality sign, make a table, and here we have put x is 0. In this way we get 4y is equals to 60 and we get y is equals to 15. Similarly, if we put y is equals to 0, we get x is equals to 20. In this way students, we get the 2 points. Now here we have the 2 points. Now it's time to plot these points on the graph paper. So students, first make 0, 15. X is 0 on the y-axis, we know that. And 0, 15 lies on the y-axis. So students, in this way you can see here 0, 15 is point here that lies between 10 and 20. You can see we mark the points at a distance 5, 10, 15, 20, all are equal in distance. So students, here next point is 20, 0. Now join these 2 points. In this way we make a line. 3x plus 4y is equals to 60. Now students, checking for origin, if we put 0, 0 in this inequality, we get 0 less than equals to 60. In this way, this gives the result to true. So students, in this way, shade the region towards the origin. Now we plot the second line for the same. We use the same procedure. X plus 3y less than equals to 30, and here we put x is equals to 0, we get y 10, and if we put y is equals to 0, we get x 30. Now students, plot these points on the graph paper. Here we have graph paper, and here you can see 0, 10 point lies on the y-axis and 30, 0 lies on the x-axis. Now join these 2 points. In this way we make a line, second line. Now students, check for the shading. For this we put 0, 0 point in this inequality, and here we get 0 less than equals to 30, which is true. Hence, origin lies in the plane x plus 3y less than equals to 30. But now students, you need to find the common feasible reason. Okay, common feasible reason हम किसे कहते हैं? ऐसा reason जो दोनों ही inequalities को hold करता है. Okay, in this way we mark the lines on that area which is common to all the inequalities. And students, you can also see in the question that here is mentioned x is greater and equal to 0, and which is the equation of y-axis, and here x is greater and equal to 0. For the same, we take the shaded region in the right hand side because x increases in this direction. Similarly students, for both the cases, x greater than equal to 0 and y greater than equal to 0, we will take the first quadrant because in the first quadrant x and y both are positive. Now students, find the common region. For the same, we shade the region. Okay, so in this way we get this common region. So students, continue with the same. Here we have next question. Question number 14. Solve the following system of inequalities graphically. And first inequality is 3x plus 2y less than equals to 150, x plus 4y less than equals to 80, x is less than 15 and y is greater than equal to 0, x is greater than equal to 0. Students, these last two inequalities show that ki common feasible reason must lie in the first quadrant. Okay students, so here we take first inequality 3x plus 2y less than equals to 150. Mark the points. First put x 0. In this way we get y 75, and if we put y 0 in this inequality we get x is equals to 50. So students, now plot these 2 points on the graph paper. Here we have graph paper. First is 0.75 that lies on the y-axis. You can observe here that 75 lies between 70 and 80. So students, next is 50 that lies on the x-axis. So join these 2 points. In this way we make line 3x plus 2y less than equals to 150. Now students, put x is equals to 0 and y is equals to 0 in this inequality. We get 0 less than equal to 150. So it gives the true result. Now students, we make the second line. Now we solve x plus 4y less than equals to 80. Put here x is 0, then we get y 20, and if we put y 0 in this inequality we get x 80. So students, in this way we get the 2 points. Now mark these 2 points, plot these points on the graph paper. So students, in this way 0 20 lies on the y-axis, you can see here, and 80 lies on the x-axis. Here is the point. Join these 2 points, we make this line x plus 4y less than equal to 80. Now students, put here 0 in this way 0 less than equals to 80. So which is true? We shade the region towards the origin, as well as in the previous line you can see that both the lines shade along the origin. So now we need to find the common feasible reason. For that we have next line. Next line is x less than equals to 15. Students, if we talk about the x is equals to a, then that makes the vertical line. If we talk about y is equals to b, then that makes the horizontal line. Here the line is x less than equals to 15. So students, add 15 on the x-axis, make a vertical line, and here x is less than equals to 15. So in the left side x decreases. In this way we shade the left side portion. But here students, in the statement that is mentioned, x must be greater than equal to 0 and y must be greater than equal to 0. You can see here. So we need to find the common feasible reason in the first quadrant. So students, for the same, shade the common region. You can see here this area includes in all these shadings. So students, hopefully all of you get it, all the questions understands well. And today we have discussed the most important questions of this chapter. So students, make all the questions on the graph paper and do more practice. Stay at home, keep healthy, and thank you for watching the complete video.